Okay, this is question 12 on the higher non-calculator paper. Okay, let's read the question first. Jane has a carton of orange juice. The carton is in the shape of a cuboid. So it's a cuboid, and you can see that there it has, so we call that the length 6, the depth 10, and the height 20. The depth of orange juice in the carton is 8 centimeters. Alright, so what I am going to do is I'm actually going to draw something like this. The total height of the carton is 20 centimeters. So if the orange juice only goes up, if its depth in the carton is 8 centimeters, that means it sort of goes up to there. If you could sort of see, if it was clear and you could see the inside, it would sort of be going up to there. Yeah, so something like that. That would be the surface of the orange juice, and it would be going up 8 centimeters high. So you need to have like a mental image of that, be able to think about it inside the carton. Jane closes the carton and she turns the carton over. So she turns the carton over so it stands on the shaded face. So this is the shaded face at the front. So it's actually going to stand on that face. That bit there is going to be on the table. It's going to be on the bottom. Work out the depth of orange juice now. So when she turns it, right, that face, the shaded face, is going to be on the table. And that shaded face is 6 centimeters wide, but it's 20 centimeters. That height, this whole length here, or that height there, is going to be on the table itself. So that shaded face is now going to be on the table, right? And then they want us to work out how high is the orange juice going to be now in the box. So up to what level is the orange juice going to go in the box? All right, so what we need to do is to work out the volume of orange juice in there. What's the volume of orange juice in the box? So the volume of orange juice is going to be, well, I'm going to times those dimensions. 8 times 6 times 10. If you think about that bit there, that the orange juices are going to occupy a space the shape of a cuboid, and its height is going to be 8. That's the length, and that's how far back it goes. So 8 times 6 times 10 in that shape. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 times 10 is 480, and it's all in centimeters, so that's 480 centimeters cubed. That's how far back, that's the volume of orange juice in the box or in the carton right now. Now, when you turn it over so that the shaded face is now on the bottom, right, the amount of orange juice is still the same, but the dimensions are going to be different. We're going to have that face there, that shaded face, is going to be on the bottom. It's going to be 6 by 20. So it's going to be 6 by 20. And the new depth of the orange juice, how high it goes up now, let's call that D. We don't know what that is, right? We don't know what that is, but we know when we times the length by the width by the height or the depth of the orange juice, it's going to be still 480 centimeter cubed. We still have that amount in there. So what I need to find out is what number should go there, so that 6 times 20 times a number is 480. Well, 6 times 20 is 120. 120 times 4 gives you 480. 480 is 120 times 4. So what that tells me is that it says work out the depth in centimeters of the orange juice now. So the depth of orange juice is 4 centimeters. And there's a space down here for the answer. And they gave you the units already. If I show that, that's 4 centimeters. This is a really popular type question. I think they'll be asking more of these. So make sure you do understand it, make sure you know how to do it, and make sure you can get full marks in it.